Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside air die grinder set model PDSS 16A1. It costs only 12 euros from Lidl, and this is a tool for the air compressor that is cost 99 euros and 129 euros the other model. It is exactly the same models. I have the right in the corner the models, unboxing and testing. The only difference is the one is 25 liters and the other is 50 liters. And let's see what we have inside. And inside we're going to find the air die grinder set, and this is the air grinder, connection to your air hose, very nice, some grinding accessories, not so difficult to connect, just install here. You have these keys, the one is here and the other is here. And you can tighten it. Very good. And then just connect it to your air hose and it will work perfectly. This is the button just here, it locks, just push it and will work. Very nice, nothing fancy, very nice tool for working, for grinding, DIY job and whatever you have in your mind. Here we have the adapter and it holds the smaller accessories in the box. Very lovely and nice tool. We have the manual, of course, you want to read it your choice. Well, here we have a bigger grinder. That was all, nothing more to show. I'm not going to demonstrate how it works. It's very easy, it's nothing nuclear scientist, very easy tool. And with that, this is the end of my video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video is your choice, but definitely hit the notification because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.